Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is 18th chapter, that is mensuration. In the previous chapter already we have discussed about that mensuration of plane figures. But students, today we are going to discuss about that mensuration of the solid figures, that means three-dimensional figures. How we should find out that area, volume, surface area, volume of a cuboid, like cubes, cones and spheres, cylinders. These are the 3D figures. How we should find out that surface area or the total surface area or the volume. Okay friends, so today we will discuss about that. First of all, we will discuss about that what is that volume. That means one space region, how much that occupying, that is called as of a solid, that is called as a volume. How much space is occupied by a solid figures, that is called as a volume. And a volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Means cuboid having the length is there, breadth is there, height is there. So that figures if you multiply, how you should find out the volume? The volume is finding by the multiplying of a length, breadth and a height. Okay, and same like a cube formula is equal to side is a whole cube. Okay, so side cube is equal to volume of the cube. Let us discuss about that today in this video. What is that? How can we find out that volume of the cuboid and volume of a cube? Now, students, I have written that the volume, the size of the space region of the body is called its volume. The measure of the space occupied, or second definition, the measure of the space occupied by the solid body is called its volume. And standard unit is cm cube. If that volume, whenever we are writing, that we can write is cm cube. And a formula, what is that, friends? Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, or the LBH cubic unit. Okay, you don't forget the students to write the units of the any area or that finding whenever you are volume, that you should not forget that units. Okay, and the volume of the cube is equal to side whole cube cubic unit. Okay, now we will do that some problems regarding this about the first question. Find the volume of the cuboid whose length is 10 cm, breadth is equal to 8 cm and height is equal to 5 cm. That means the solution, it is a cuboid compulsory. Yes, because the volume of the cuboid already given also. So length how much given to you? The length is equal to 10 cm and the breadth is equal to 8 cm and height is equal to 5 cm. So what you have to find out that, friends? The volume you have to find out that. Volume is equal to how much? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So how do you get height is equal to length, breadth and height, means length how much? 10 into 8 into 5 is equal to 8 5 is 40 and 0 400 cm cube. So 400, that means the volume is equal to 400 cm cube will get. Okay, so that means the length into breadth into height, whenever we will multiply, we will get that volume of the cuboid. Same like students, how to find out that volume of the cube whose side is equal to 4 cm. So we can write the solution. Given that side of the cube is equal to how much, friends? 4 cm. So we know that, friends, volume is equal to side whole cube. So is equal to 4 whole cube is equal to 64 cm cube. So this is about that, how to find out that volume of the cube and a volume of the cuboids. Okay students, now look at the students other options questions like that may will ask to you. The volume of the cuboid is 400 centimeter, 440 centimeter cube, and the area of the base is 880 centimeter square and its height. That means one cuboid is there. Okay, one cuboid is there, and this cuboid, this is one cuboid is there, and this is total volume given for you, the volume given, and this area of the side base given also, area of the base given. So remember students, whatever we can write that the solution, given that the volume of cuboid, how much is given? Now 440 centimeter cube. and also area of the base given also. Area of the base, how much given friends? 88 cm square. So what is they asking? Height of the cuboid. So remember students, height of the cuboid formula we also can directly write it. Volume of cuboid by area of the base. Area of the base is equal to 880 by 440 by 88. Okay, if we count that of 11 with 11 1 ja, 11 1 ja, 11 4 ja, 11 0 ja. So 11 you can count no. 11 4 ja 0, 11 8 ja 8, 5 ja. So 5 centimeter. So hence the height of cuboid is 5 centimeter. Okay students, I hope you have understand about that, how to find out that or how to apply that formulas, and you can find out that height of that cuboid, and also you should find out that what is that volume, and a volume of the cubes and a volume of the cuboids. So you can solve now exercise 18.1 for your homework. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.